Guys, welcome to today's video. We'll be exploring Netrun Testnet. First off, what is Netrun Testnet? Netrun is a meta protocol built on Solana, powered by MetaPlask standard. It focuses on programming composable and evolving non-fungible systems. It is basically a flexible layer for dynamic NFTs on-chain assets, imprint, and similar digital objects. Many people are already farming these potential airdrops as early testnet participants often get rewarded in these projects. So I'm going to be walking you through the guide on how to run the Netrun Testnet guide. This is the full guide. First off, you're going to need a Solana wallet because it's a Solana meta protocol. Do not forget that it is built on Solana and is a meta protocol built on Solana. It is inspired by those ordinals. BTC ordinals, the same thing BTC ordinals did on BTC. So this is my wallet. This is a backpack wallet. This is not a real wallet. This is just for this test purpose, and I'll be showing you how to do your own. You're going to need a Solana wallet. You're going to need either a backpack or a phantom wallet. Those are the two popular Solana wallets: a backpack or a phantom wallet. Either a backpack, a phantom wallet, a backpack or a phantom wallet. But for the purpose of this video, I will be using the backpack wallet, and I'll show you how to do that. So after creating the backpack wallet or this phantom wallet, you are going to need to switch it to testnet or devnet mode. You need to switch to testnet or devnet mode. You heard me right. So how do you switch to testnet or devnet mode? You click on your profile by the top left, the picture icon by the top left. Click on settings, preferences. You have to switch on the developers mode. Without switching on the developers mode, you'll be unable to create the devnet or testnet wallet. That's the first step. You click on your profile by the left, go to preferences, then click on developers mode, switch it on. The next thing you want to do is head over to this wallet icon above. So after switching on preference, your developer mode, you click on the drop down. Then Solana is meant to show just Solana. This is meant to show just Solana. Solana is meant to show just Solana. But I'm going to show you now. So once you switch on the developers mode, click on the drop down, then click on Solana. It won't show Solana Devnet. It won't show the Solana Devnet. You have to click on Add Network. Once you click on Add Network, you scroll down a bit, you're going to see Solana Devnet. You see it there, it shows Solana. Then you scroll down a bit, you're going to see Solana Devnet. Because mine has been added, so it's showing Solana Devnet. So you don't just switch on Solana Devnet, you have to actually switch to Solana Devnet. So now it is on Solana Devnet and there's nothing in the wallet, $0. There is nothing in the wallet, but I'm going to show you how to increase that balance to something tangible. Like mine that is showing 4.99 Sol. I'm going to show you. So after switching your wallet to Solana Devnet, which is the first step to the airdrop, then you head over to the Faucet, which is faucet.solana.com. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the link down and I'll show you how to do yours. It is not hard, it is easy. You just do it and you get your tokens. So once you come to the wallet section, you are going to need your GitHub account. If you followed my last video, Canopy Network Testnet, I told you are going to need a GitHub account. In 2026, if you don't have a GitHub account, you are behind. There is no two buts about that. You are behind if you don't have a GitHub account. It doesn't take you 5 minutes. It doesn't take you 2 minutes. It just takes you a minute. You get over to GitHub, github.com, github.com, create your GitHub account and sign in with your Google account. Simple as that. ABC. So now once you head over to the testnet, faucet.solana.com. So if you're wondering where did I get this address from, it's in your wallet. It's in your wallet. You don't need to stress. You just click on Solana, then press receive, then you copy your wallet address and paste it here. So that's my wallet here. Then you click on the amount. This testnet will not be testnet. You switch it to devnet, not testnet. You switch it to devnet, not testnet. Then click on amount right here. You can press 5. That's why mine was showing 4.99. So you can press 5. You can press 1. If you press 1, then you confirm airdrop. Once you confirm airdrop, you fill in the captcha, and that's just it. I have claimed 5 already, so I won't be getting on that one for the next 8 hours. So you click on you paste your wallet address, put in the amount, switch to Devnet, and you confirm airdrop. You are going to need to connect your GitHub account for it to go through. Then you fill in the captcha, and that's it. So now to the main airdrop guide, Netrun Testnet. So every step you take in the Netrun Testnet is everything to the airdrop. An imprint, creating a token, creating an imprint, and so many more. And you do all this to climb up the leaderboard. This is my runners right here, 4,315. You know what that simply means? That's like my position. So that's because I'm starting this testnet, and I want to show you how to run the testnet successfully without any issues. So every step you take, I have 4.99 SOL, as you saw in my wallet earlier. You go to Explorer. So once you go to Explorer, what does Explorer show you? Explorer shows you tokens that are being created and minted at the second, per second. It means OPF like that, these tokens that you are seeing that are just moving, that are just shaking, they are being minted, created per seconds. These are the creators because they have active users on the testnet. People are running the testnet continuously, no dulling on this testnet here. So you head over to token. That's the first thing you want to do. Then you look for network you want to create. You look for NFTs you want to mint. If you know how NFT works, don't forget it's like BTC or Dinas on. You just mint NFTs. So every step you take on the testnet is a step further to the airdrop. So you just click on look at this Jokuto, which is only 2,612 mints that have been done on the testnet so far, which is allocated to 58%. You click on Jokuto, then press mint. Once you click on mint, it takes you to this place. Then create imprint. Your wallet pops up. It costs you about 0.0003 SOL, and I have 5 SOL, so that's like peanuts to whatever amount, depending on the amount you request from the Faucet. Then click on approve. That's just it. Bingo. Then the imprint takes about just few seconds, and imprint created successfully. Just like that, you've created an imprint. That is the first way to earn. This is the first way to earn on the testnet. So there are other ways in which you can earn on the testnet. The next one is to create your own token. You have to create your own NFT. You know, now I just minted somebody's NFT. Now you can create your own, so someone else also mints your NFT. That's just how it works. Like minting NFT, creating your own NFT, and just like that. So this is symbol, max of 8 shares. So what can we use as our NFT? Let's use BJAY. Yeah, BJAY. So supply, what could be the supply? Let's say 1,000 or 100,000 of the so mint limit is like, mint limit restricts you to how many can be minted, like per person. Mint limit, how many someone can mint at a go. So let's use 1,000. You can use 1,000. So head over down. You might be curious. So you might be curious to what this decimal mean. This mint limit literally means how many that can be minted per person. So decimals means your token, how, like the smallest unit, it control like the smallest unit of your token. It determines how many decimal places your token can be divided into. So rather than buying in fraction, rather than saying you want to buy 0.5 BJ, why will you buy 0.5 BJ when you can just mint 1 BJ, 2 BJ, 3 BJ, 4 BJ, 10,000 BJ? Rather than do that, so just create one token and no buying of fraction. You just mint, and the max you can mint is 1,000 of the token. So that's why mine is 0. You can set yours to 0. You can set yours to 1. It will be divisible by 2. So and you create an imprint. It still costs about 0.0003 SOL. So you wait, your wallet pops up, and boom, your token. So the wallet now has popped up. and boom, that's just it. Your wallet has been created. Imprint created successfully. View on Metaplex Explorer. You see, create BJ. You see, it's been created already. So this is your data and every other thing you need to know about your stuff. Frozen, no. Immutable data, no. Create BJ, and it's been created. So that's just it. Imprint has been created. That is the second way to earn. So now my runner is still 4,315. With time it heads over, it goes up, it goes up. So now the third way to earn is to head over to the market. There is a marketplace where people's NFT has been listed online, and not really online or live. It's been listed in the Netrun's marketplace, where you can take a soul and buy for out of your Devnet or Testnet tokens you claimed earlier. So we'll be buying assets of 21 this. We'll be buying this asset 21xzt. Your wallet pops up once again, and the asset 210 cost 0.15 so. Then you approve it, confirming transaction, and just like that you've bought at a 2.012. So in this place shows activity, it shows that it's as a 2.012 I bought will be showing about here, just right here, 12 seconds ago, as it has been bought. So you can also do yours. You put soul amount, set up your price. You can check your assets, the asset 2 soul that I bought should be here. So these are the two imprints I so this is the one I bought earlier. That's the Jokunto. If you watch the video from the beginning, that's Jokunto. So you can list it. Since I bought a fraction of the NFT, I can list how much I want to sell it. You know how NFT works. If you're a newbie and you don't know how NFT works, NFT is just like you are buying something. It's just like a buying and selling something. You buy a picture for like $10 and you want to sell it to someone else. Of course, you want to sell it to someone with a gain. So if I sell it to you for $11, you also can sell it to someone else for $11. So I bought the token few in the beginning of this video. Now how much would I like to sell it? I would like to sell it for like 3 soul. So now if I list the asset, it goes to the marketplace, and that means if someone buys it for 3 soul, my price goes up in Testnet. My Testnet token goes up because I'm going to make an huge gain because I bought it for peanuts and I'm selling it for a whooping 3 soul. You might be wondering, does this soul count for anything? No, the soul does not count for anything. Testnet is nothing, and testnet does not equal to anything. It's just for testing the project. That's why it's called testnet. It doesn't equal to anything. So this is one of the tokens. This is the token that I just listed right now. It's called asset HCGR, which is going for 3 soul. So if I want to delist it, you press delist and no one buys the token once again. So this is just everything you need to know about Netrun Testnet. When you go to collections, these are collections. These are arts created by the community. These are arts created by the community. Create once again. So that's all you need to know about Netrun Testnet. Netrun Testnet funding is undisclosed, but this is a potential huge drop in the early. My link will be down in the description. Position early. You don't know what this could do, because this is a promising project and we are expecting big numbers. You can position early because the project just started about a week ago. You can be the first. You can make 4 figs, 5 figs from it. You can love the protocol. So just do your thing. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. BJ out.